Well, this is the completed rifle, the Enfield. It's been touched up. The bands have been done, front's been done, all that's been done now. This would be like part 2 and probably the final on this one. Because everything is in good shape. I ran through the bore, cleaned it up today some more, and found out this is a 5-groove barrel, which was the best one they had as far as being accurate. The bolt, I mean, it flies out of there now. There's no problem. It doesn't jam up or anything. It only will stop when you put the safety on, and you can't fire it. When you get the safety off, then of course it'll fire fine. So everything on this was done. Backplate, that's still the original one. Nothing's been changed on it. It's just been cleaned up, and what's been done is all the wood's been done. Everything's done on this. So you won't see this one, but yeah, as luck would have it, I bought another one. I bought another rifle, not rifle. I bought a handgun this time, and actually from a different location, from J&G Sales in Prescott, Arizona, and they had on sale. Actually, it was the last one they had on sale. It turns out, I guess they had a bunch of them first when they started. It's a German P38 9mm, and the German P38. In fact, my brother has 2 of them actually. I've been trying to find one that's cheap enough. Well, they had these down to $550, so that's pretty cheap for one of them. They normally go anywhere from $700 to, it depends. It depends on the year and condition, but they can go up to $2,000. So this is pretty good. And so J&G, they sent 2-day FedEx. So I ordered this on the, well, let's see, they just shipped it, and I shall receive it on the 11th. So in 2 days. So also, what's going on is there's another ham swap meet going on this Saturday at the Cabelas parking lot in Verdi, which is not too far from Reno here. So they do this every year. So, and I've heard from other sources we have that there are going to be a lot of guys selling stuff up there Saturday. So anyway, anybody's interested, you can go there. Doesn't cost anything to get in there. You don't even have to pay for parking. There's plenty of parking lot space, so no problem. So yeah, this one's pretty much done. And what's going to happen right now, we are planning a shooting of kind of a lot of these rifles that I have this next week. Probably, I don't know, maybe later on in the week or maybe weekend, I don't know. But in another week, you will see a shooting video, and we will try out this Enfield, the other one that's the black powder one, the 58 caliber 3-band Enfield that's over 170 years old. We'll be firing that one. Ron says I should use a string. I said, well, maybe it might be a good idea just in case. So that one, this one, the Remington rolling block 43 caliber Spanish. I'm going to fire that one. We found out why the ammunition wasn't going off. It wasn't because it was old. It was because the firing pin wasn't getting hit hard enough. And we found out what the problem with that was. It was just a little bit of rust in the mechanism so that it would just sort of jam up a little bit. Well, clean that up and then oiled it, and it hits hard now. So I don't think there'll be any problem shooting that one. And it had a nice bore in it too, so that wasn't a big deal. And I think I have one more. Also, I'll probably have the P38 by then, so I'll have time to look at that for about a week. and clean it up, and then we'll shoot that. So let's see that, and I think I have, yeah, I also have one more, a Chilean Mauser. It's a 7mm, and I've never shot that one yet, so I'm thinking that one. So 4 rifles and 1 handgun probably in that one video. So I'll have to break that one up a bit. But other than that, yeah, this thing here is done. It's ready to be fired. Like I said, we'll take care of that. And I don't know, there you go. I don't know if you get to close up here. My camera has to do the autofocus routine. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, there it is. It's all done, ready to go. So, and that's it. So that'll be it for now. And Chubby's on the floor, just looking at me. Yeah, okay, good dog. Okay, that's gonna be it for now. Talk to you guys later.